we kind of compromised, and she found this, and yeah.
She found
yeah, she found this.
What state?
Michigan. Actually, out in Brighton, a guy had it out there, and he was selling it on Facebook Marketplace. So we got it up there. I feel like we got it for still $2,000. I know.
66. With some mags. Oh, got the seats laid down. Not the trunk though, you can actually go all the way through to the trunk. That's tough.
Can you feel your foot though? I had surgery in 2001.
Yeah.
For that whole thing. I'll be walking all of a sudden.
That's tough. Customize them. What's going on? Oh, that was you. I was like, I know I heard it. What's going on, Dave? All right.
Heard that voice.
God, I felt like I was in the 70s there, and I've never been in the 70s in my life.
I got a Chevy with the 454 in the hood. 125 on the dash. Hey, there's a spot for you in the grass over there up front.
Go from the other way, right?
Dave just came through here. If you could jack that fucker up.
All right.
There's sidewalk and shit over there. We can guide you through.
All right, cool.
She said she's 19 minutes away.
Whew, that scared the shit out of me. My mug's clean. We're looking at the Chrysler, not the Beamer. Going on, man? Ooh, look at this mother.
What the hell is this? So that's what I got for your car. You sold it? For that? Yeah.
That's sexy. Sexiest one here so far, I think. Amphicars, a few amphicars. Someone offered me a ride in one of them and I said, hell to the nah. I feel like I would sink that mode. Got cars everywhere. Is this a different 66? I think this is a different one. Another Amphicar. I think it's all mostly newer shit down there. It's badass. I don't know if you can see. Sink, table, bed. That's tough. Yes, sir.